to a new video. Today's video is going to be toga. This is all Toga's video. I haven't done a toga video in so long. I'm really sorry that I haven't gotten to like doing my regular the videos that I used to do when I first started, but I've just been kind of busy with stuff. But this is my toga. This is the fit portion. I have the skirt, it's just in my closet and I don't feel like getting it out. Plus I'm not going to like a con or anything, so I don't feel the need to. My toga wig on the other hand is looking okay. So here is one of the buns. It's not bad, right? I don't know, we'll see if I work on that. Here's the other one. I really like this one better than the other one. So this is what I have.
If you give me a little,
But expected wear around the house. Again, it is tight, but perfect for around the house. And we also have this one. I feel like this makes me
I will also give you all, and I will always give you all.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put this off to the side. Alright. So next is makeup time. Okay, hold up. I need to put one of these up here. Maybe. Are you guys lopsided? I think so. Okay. So next is makeup. I'm not really gonna talk too much. This is my mirror. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That's kind of trippy. Isn't it? Okay. Okay. Sorry, I like to do different poses for thumbnails. So I was trying to figure that out. Let's skip over there. Oh, you can see that area. Okay. So, I've done this multiple times. Okay, this blanket is super uncomfy. Okay. So with these kind of wig caps, you slip them over your head. You pull out whatever hair that you got. And then the elastic part goes on around your forehead. And then it goes up and around. And then I like to tuck these in here. Especially with togas. Alright, we balled, we good, we good. Okay. So, first...
TikTok, almost stop.
this backwards. Yeah. Easy fix. Let me fix this real quick. Maybe. Just cut this part out. Okay. So, yeah, I know those pieces come out sometimes, but like. Okay, so here's my toga wig. It's over here. I'm going to do some kind of like bloody kind of look. And yeah. Okay, so actually I forgot to put on like, so I'm gonna do that right now. I use this tiny little blush brush and I go in here. I'm going to be using probably this color. Okay, we're good. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do with this is to get like this. Honestly, I would probably make a whole nother video on my toga wig, like restyling and stuff. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all my social medias, they're linked down below. If you want to comment something weird, I don't know.